Oh, this is pretty funny. These guys have already been out here for an hour. And they got it like a foot onto the trailer. These guys are hilarious. Just come in for a sandwich, right? Seeing the ruckus. $200 to load it for them. How much you want to bet the guys across the road can't get that shit on the dump on their trailer and they're bothering me?
How's it going today?
Not too bad. What are you saying?
Not too bad. My winch doesn't have quite enough power. Do you think we could hire you to help us load that boat on my flatbed over here?
Oh, maybe. What do you think that thing weighs?
Can't be that much. A few ton, but it's digging into my...
Out of your trailer.
It's digging into the ramp on my trailer, right? Yeah, the winch is on. If you had forks and you just kind of lifted it up while I tried winching it, it'd probably go. But right now it's just digging into the beaver tail.
I mean, I'm sure my loader would lift it. I just lift it right up, put it on your, or just lift it up and you back under there and set it down even.
Yeah.
And you can put your wood under there too.
Yeah. Like right now I have it up off the ground, halfway up the deck. So if you would be able to get your forks underneath it and lift it up right now, and then I just back underneath it or whatever, yeah.
All right, I just got to put air in my one loader tire. Let me grab my sweater or my coat and I'll get air in there and I'll just come over.
All right, thank you.
Oh, here comes Buddy. Going fishing?
Hey?
Going fishing?
Yeah. Not yet. Maybe later.
Yeah. What do you do with that boat? Scrapping it?
No, we're gonna fix her up.
Oh yeah?
We're gonna put a small Detroit in it.
Oh yeah.
Probably a couple of 200 horse. So that'll be enough to push it around.
You don't have any influence guys coming in here at night having it open like this?
They probably know better.
They know better?
What are they doing for batteries?
All right now.
Oh, really? Down, eh?
Yeah, everything's down. That's another reason why, you know, guys want all kind of money for cars, but you can't get all for them. So I'm not into doing for free too often. Oh, let's see if she starts. Good loader. So it's fixed up like it is flips. For sale. Awesome for plowing snow. It's almost like I knew this was gonna happen. wheels off there. Like,
Oh, okay,
move
yeah.
back and shit. Good?
You start to flatten it out. I just want to get it closer to this side.
Yeah. But yeah, I was just digging. Check this out. Oh, the steering wheel's straight in the Gremlin. And the wheels are straight. The steering wheel's straight. Oh, I apologize. We fixed that this morning. And fixed that, and then had lunch, and I noticed them dicks were trying to load the boat. I mean, if you just pull around and pull in through this way, so your trailer, you know what I mean, and then just kind of back your trailer up right here, and they'll just come in and load it right on the side. That works for you.
What do you want to do? Come back in here?
Yeah, just pull straight in like this and loop around.
Put one on the front.
Just gonna zip that together. There you go. Good on, man.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Enough for you?
Shouldn't go far.
No.
Buy new stuff, fuel tank. How you doing?
Yeah, good.
Oh, it's you.
Yeah.
Oh, you're coming from the. You're coming north.
No, yeah.
Right on. I thought you were gonna be in like a cube van or something.
I have a
What,
birthday party tonight, but
Oh, you had to quit your birthday party?
yeah, because I gotta go home. I buy everything and in my car,
Oh,
my
no.
my birthday cake and everything.
Oh no.
Yeah, like look at that.
Ah, frig sakes. Well, see, the problem is
Yeah.
my forks are gonna.
No. We can pull it out. Come.
Oh, we can pull it out?
Yeah, this is not that heavy. Don't worry. Okay. Take one second. I can this out. Then I can move on. Okay.
Right on.
Okay, no problem. 1 second. Gotta hold something. Okay, that's good. Now go.
Oh, you put it on the side?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh no.
Okay, that's enough. Okay, you're gonna go more a little bit? Okay, go more.
Well, why don't we just pull it right out and put it on the ground?
You wanna put it on the ground?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. Lift it up.
Yep.
Just, yeah. Not that heavy. No. Okay. That's an easy thing.
Right on, thanks.
Close to this is Satroy or is Windsor close to for you?
What's that?
This is you very close to where? You Satroy or Windsor? You close to Windsor?
No, Windsor's like 2 hours. Sarnia is about 40 minutes, maybe 30, 40 minutes. And, you know, what'd you say, Strathroy?
Yeah, Satroy, yeah.
Strathroy's probably half an hour that way. Sarnia's that way, Strathroy's that way, Windsor's that way.
So
But Windsor's
I'm going
like,
back to Scarborough, so 3 hours.
yeah. Oh, your birthday, ruined.
But 11 o'clock, then I gotta be 12 o'clock my birthday party.
Oh dear. Hey, right on.
Okay, buddy, thanks a lot.
Yeah, well, happy birthday.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. Have a good day, sir.
You too. See ya. More boys. Should we try to crack this son of a bitch open? Looks like we got some green tape. That's good. Oh, I think I got my good pallet opening stick right here. Well, at least they put several tampons on it. It's got some tampons. Looks like we got a hose, so that's good. At least the hose comes with it. Holy shit. Holy shit. If any of those. I love new tubes really bad. Well, onwards, that's the son of a bitch there. Let me know what you think it is. Okay? Let me know what you think it is, boys. It's a very special unit. Okay? It's a very specialized unit. But yeah, I figured sandblasting, that's gonna make a mess, something terrible. I'm not going to do enough of it to have a dedicated zone, but something like this, you got to have at least 15 projects on the go at once, boys. You know that. You know that. They come with an instruction, so. Oh, that's handy. That's handy. We'll just read these. You don't have to bring them over to too muchies, for freak's sakes. But anyways, we got the steering wheel back to center in the Grumman. There's like a 4 spline asshole. I just had her 9.0 in the spline factor, so I just took it apart and jabbed her back together the proper ways and put some grease and tightened the bolt. It was awesome. And then yeah, we moved a boat and friggin' different things, but somehow I knew that was gonna happen. Oh, push it right in. But yeah, I'll have to pick up some dried danders and try this son of a bitch out. Maybe we can get some type of exposure. It'll be awesome. But anyways, boys, buddy's missing his birthday in accordance to delivering my package, so that's handy. Gonna have to hammer down so you can get lacquered. But anyways, boys, let me know what you think. Do jank 'em.